First, open up the box. This doorbell comes with 2 batteries and a pre-installed flash card. 1 battery is enough to power up the device, however with 2, the device can last longer. Press the reset button for a few seconds so everything goes back to original settings. The blue light then is on, and if you ring the doorbell, it should make a nice little sound. To use this doorbell, you need to download an app called IC to your phone. You could either scan the QR code on your instruction book or search the app through App Store. After downloading, open the app. Use a phone number or an email address to create a new account, or use Facebook ID for quick login. Click Add Device, choose Set up my device to Wi-Fi, then Next step. It will automatically search Wi-Fi. Just input your own Wi-Fi password and confirm.
Click OK.
Afterwards, it will display a device searching page. Ring the doorbell, help your phone to find the device. Once your phone said connecting, please wait. That means they are successfully connected. Set up a password so not everybody can connect to your doorbell. If you forget the password someday, just do a reset and do all the steps all over again. You can even rename your doorbell. Now you have the doorbell connected to your phone. Click the image to make your doorbell online. There are a few icons you can play with on the main page. Sound, no sound, HD quality, record the video, full screen. There are more functions if you click the setting icon at the upper right corner. Last but not least, let me show you another way to connect the doorbell. In order to do that, I'm going to delete the device first. So let's go back to the page where the app is scanning for device.
Please input wireless router password. Click OK.
Hit the upper right icon.
Please
the
wait
app
a
can
moment.
generate a QR code. Put the code in front of the doorbell. Ring the doorbell to wake the device. It will read the code and then the app will go to the same page where you put the password in.